session, but we have to back to our studies also. Okay, so here I am for explaining prepositions to you this time. Okay, now what I have thought that I'll be demonstrating the things to you, but you have to keep in mind that what preposition I am explaining you at that time. Okay, so first of all I have decided to introduce into. Okay, मैं सबसे पहले आपको दिखाऊंगी what is into. Okay, because there is a small difference between in and into. सबसे पहले मैं into दिखा दूंगी and then I will be showing you in. Okay, let us start. So first of all you can see that a compass box is there. ठीक है, so I am putting this compass box into this basket. Okay, I am putting this compass box into the basket. I am putting this balloon into the basket. I am putting this teddy, or you can say that a toy, into the basket. I am putting this toy also into the basket. Okay, I am placing this orange into the basket. Okay, I am placing this we can say that bowl only into the basket. These grapes are going into the basket. This square is going into the basket. Now what is into? आपको समझ में आ गया होगा that into shows you the movement preposition because these all things were here only. सबसे पहले ये सारी चीजें यहाँ पे थी. Now what I have done, मैंने क्या किया, I have placed these things into this basket. ठीक है, मैंने ये सारी चीजों को उठा के ये बास्केट में डाल दी. So when into can be used, into can be used if something is going somewhere. अगर कोई चीज कहीं पे जा रही है that is called into. Like I am standing here only. Okay, but अगर मैं यहाँ पे चल के if this place is there. Okay, and if I am here only and now I am coming into my place. So this is place change, like you can say that change of place only. Okay, ये चीज पहले यहाँ पे थी, यहाँ पे मैंने डाल दी. You have seen us also while you were coming to the school. Okay, जब मैम क्लास के अंदर आते हैं that time you have to say our teacher has entered into the room because before that she was or he was outside the room and now just she has or he has entered the room, or we can say that entered into the room. Okay, so into shows you the movement preposition. Now what is in beta? In तो सबको समझ में आता है, though I am going to explain it, that you can see that I have just placed these things into the basket. So it means अभी ये सारी चीजें basket में आ चुकी हैं. Okay, you can see here that a balloon is there in the basket, then toys are there in the basket, grapes are there in the basket, this bowl is there in the basket, square is also there in the basket. Everything whatever I have used, these things are in the basket. Abhi, for now it is in the basket. So this is a gap between in and into. Okay, when something is shifting from one place to another, that time we can use into. And if something is already there, तो उसके लिए we can use in. Okay, let us move to the next preposition. Okay, so now we are moving towards our next preposition. Towards is also a kind of preposition only. Okay, I'll discuss it later on only. Okay, so now you can see that a chair is there. Okay, a chair is there and it is a table. ये भी आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. A table is there, chair is there. Okay, so where the chair? Chair कहाँ पे है? So you would say, ma'am, it is on the table. Why on the table? Because देखो the chair is touching the surface of table. So that time we can use on. उस टाइम पे हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं बेटा? on. Let me give you the more example. Like you can see that a teddy toy is there with me, a stuffed toy is there with me. Okay, now where is this stuffed toy? कहाँ पे है ये toy? So you would say, ma'am, it is on the chair. Yes. Why on the chair? Because the toy's surface, or you can say that the toy is touching the surface of the chair. ठीक है? लेकिन यहाँ से देखो बेटा, there is a gap between a toy and a surface of the table. टेबल में और टॉय में गैप है, तो यहाँ पे you cannot use on because देखो on यहाँ पे यूज नहीं करते. Yes, अगर लेकिन if I would place the toy on the table or on the surface of it, then we can use on. Okay, उसके लिए different preposition है, लेकिन हम उसको बाद में explain करेंगे. Okay, और it is on, ठीक है, it is on. ठीक है. Now if I will place the same toy here, then उसको क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? it will call under the table. Okay, here also you can see that a gap is there. Okay, why I am explaining, so I will be explaining the same thing after the other preposition. जब दूसरे prepositions की बात करेंगे ना, that time I will like make you understand what is the difference between them. Okay, so here you can see that, okay, a chair is there and a toy is under the chair. Okay, here it is on the chair, here it is under the chair. Okay, a toy is on the chair, a toy is under the chair. So this is on, this is under. On में it is very necessary that both the things should be touched each other. Okay, should be touching each other. दोनों के दोनों चीजें, whatever objects we are talking about, whatever nouns we are talking about, it should be touching with each other. But in case of under, it cannot be touched. वो टच नहीं होंगे. देखो, the gap is there, distance is there, little distance is there between both the things. So this is on, इसको बोलेंगे हम on. Okay, and if the same thing will go here, then it will be under. इसको क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? Under. Okay, let us move to the next one. Okay, so now here we are again I am moving towards the next prepositions, and that is above. That is above. Now first of all, what is above? देखो बेटा, आप है ना हमेशा confuse होते हो between on and above. There is a small difference between on and above. अभी मैंने बोला था that if this toy is there on the chair, then we can call it on. हम on बोलेंगे because both the things are touching each other. Okay, but when something is like somewhere and if they are not touching each other, like अगर मैं यहाँ पे if I would say that this fan, can you see this fan बेटा? Can you see this fan? Is it touching my head? Is it touching my head? So you would say no ma'am, it is not touching your head. So that is above. अगर कोई चीज ऊपर, अगर हिंदी में देखें above means also ऊपर, on means also ऊपर, but a gap is there. And what is the gap? If two things are touching each other, it will be called on. जैसे ये है, it is on the chair. But if something is not touching, then it will be called above. A gap or a distance will be there. You can see that a fan is there. Okay, so you would say ma'am, fan is on above your head. Why above? Because it is not touching my head. वो मेरे head को touch नहीं कर रहा है ना, so that is why we will call it above. The fan is above my head. Okay, or if I will place my hand here only, so you will say ma'am, your hand is above your head. ये जो hand है आपका आपके head के ऊपर है. But if I will keep my hand here, so you will say ma'am, your hand is on your head, because देखो I am touching my head and hand with each other. You get it beta? What is the difference between on and above? In on, no distance or gap will be there, and in above, a distance or a gap will be there. So that is called above. Okay, now we are moving towards the next one, that is over. Here also one distance is there, or we can say that a gap or a small difference is there between both of them. तो आप बोलोगे मैम कहाँ पे over use होगा? So here also if over will be used if something is moving onto your something, like आपके ऊपर कोई चीज move करके जा रही है. If the thing whatever above yours, like if this fan is there, it is above my hand, but if the fan will change its place and will go somewhere, then it will be called over. Now look at this picture beta. It is the picture of your activity room. You might have seen the room also. Okay, so here also you can see that a plane is there and two kids are sitting on this plane. ठीक है, दो बच्चे इस plane के ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं and the ground is there. Okay, so you will say that an aeroplane is flying over the ground or over the garden, whatever the place is. The aeroplane is flying over the ground. Why we are using over beta? Because in case of aeroplane or any moving object, okay, if that object is changing its place, changing its location, if it is going from one place to another over yourself, okay, आपके ऊपर से कहीं जा रही है, then it will be called over. आई बात समझ में? So over में movement will be there from one place to another, और वो movement यहाँ पे नहीं हो रही होगी, आपके ऊपर या नजदीक में कहीं हो रही होगी. You get it beta? So that is called over. So that is the difference between on, above and over. याद रखना, on touching the place, above the distance is there, and over means the object is changing its position. It is going from one place to another. Okay, chalo, let us move to the next examples. Okay, so now we are moving towards our next preposition, and that is between. Okay, you have heard this between very like you know this preposition very well. It is an easiest prepositions ever. Okay, so you can see that a chair is there, a basket is there, and a toy is there. Okay, so you would say that okay, where is a toy? Toy कहाँ पे है बेटा? So yes, a toy is between a chair and a basket, or you would say between the chair and the basket, because we are particularly talking about these things only, so we can use the also. Okay, so where is a toy beta? The toy is between the chair and the basket. Okay, so where we can use between when two things will be given to you. जब कोई दो चीज आपको दी हुई हो and you are placing that okay something is there between them, दोनों के बीच में अगर कोई चीज है, for that बीच में you can use between. आप क्या यूज कर सकते हो बेटा? Between यूज कर सकते हो. चलो, let us move to the next one. Okay, so now we are moving towards our easiest examples only, or we can say that easiest prepositions only. Okay, so आप बोलोगे मैम इसको तो समझाने की भी जरूरत नहीं. What is this? Near. Now what is near? Near का मतलब होता है पास में. So you can see that a chair is there. Okay, a toy is there. So you would say ma'am a toy is near the chair. That is correct. You would say ma'am a ball is there. Okay, bowl है यहाँ पे. So you would say ma'am a bowl is near the chair. Okay, the both pronunciation is correct. Okay, bowl is also the correct pronunciation and bowl is also the correct pronunciation. Okay, so you would say ma'am this bowl is near the table. So near the chair, or this toy is near the chair. Both the are correct. तो जब कोई चीज किसी चीज में पास में होती है, चीज के पास में होती है, we can use near. If I will stand here, so you would say ma'am you are standing near the table, you are standing near the wall. Okay, near the wall. But the next preposition is what it is? Against. Now what is against? Against का मतलब भी सामने या पास में होता है. But if I would stand here, so you would say ma'am you are near the table, you are near the wall only. Okay, because a gap is there, a distance is there. But if I would say like stand these like I am leaning my body towards the wall, मतलब some of the part of my body is touching the wall. So you would say ma'am you are standing against the wall, not near the wall. Why not near beta? Because gap is not there. I am leaning my body, ऐसे करके मैं खड़ी हूँ. Okay, so this is called against. When the gap is not there between two objects, then that time you can use against. Okay, now what is in front of? You would say ma'am it is also very easy. You can see that I am here, मतलब it is behind the table. I am like we can say that standing behind the table. But if I would come here only, अगर मैं यहाँ पे आ जाऊँ तो you would say ma'am you are standing in front of the table. ऐसे होता है ना, in front of, no doubt. Like right now I am standing in front of the camera. अभी मैं because somebody is shooting there ना, so I am standing in front of her. Okay, or in front of the screen. So that is in front of. You can see that distance is a little distance is there, है ना, थोड़ा सा distance है because you are sitting there. I am standing here, so you would say ma'am you are standing in front of. So that is called in front of. Okay, so all the examples we have solved. Some of our remaining only that we will discuss orally only. Okay, because they are preposition of time. Preposition of time cannot be explained through the objects. Okay, so at the in the Zoom lecture only I'll be explaining the same thing. Okay, chalo. Dear ma'am, I am signing off. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, chalo beta, bye bye.